Hello Taurus, so this is your quick oracle reading. So if you're new, please subscribe, like, and share. Gamit natin ngayon si Dark Mirror. So ano bang message para sa'yo? Let's check. What we have here is number 17, forgetting oneself. Sacrifice is a way to show gaano natin kamahal ang isang tao by giving a part of us, by sacrificing our time, our resources, our energy, our attention. Pero, gusto ko para sa'yo ng card na to that this is a moment then na you need to also place yourself as your main priority. Hindi naman pwedeng lahat puro palabas. Just like ang isang balon, hindi mo pwede yan puro give lang siya kasi matutuyo din siya eh. Meron din siyang sources na pinagkukuhanan ng kanyang water. Same thing with you. Hindi pwede na forever ikaw na nagbibigay. It's time that you also give back to yourself. Hindi masama na gawin mong priority ang sarili mo. Hindi masama na ilagay mo yung sarili mo sa pedestal. Time naman siguro para usikasuhin mo yung para sa'yo. You've given a lot. All this time, sa mga oras na to, hindi naman kalabaysan na ikaw naman ngayon ang tatanggap. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo, and I'll see you very soon.